Shaped like a tiny tree, broccoli reminds us that strength begins quietly rooted deep in the earth. Green, the color of renewal, balance, and breath, the shade nature chose for healing. Inside each floret lies a world of nutrients: vitamin C, K, iron, calcium, the quiet science of strength. Raw, it's crisp and alive. Steamed, it's tender and comforting bright, proof that gentleness preserves power. Across continents, broccoli carries the same promise: health served with love.
Its color isn't just seen, it's felt. The pulse of chlorophyll, the heartbeat of the earth.
Broccoli teaches us patience. It grows slowly, like the wisdom and care passed down through generations. The power of green isn't loud, and it's patient, pure, and alive. This is My Dinner Ideas TV.